In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check all reports in DocuSign. Whether you're managing a small business or just want to stay on top of your document management tasks, understanding how to access and evaluate these reports can be a game changer. First, we need to head over to the DocuSign website. Open your web browser and type in DocuSign.com. DocuSign is widely recognized as the #1 solution for electronic signatures and intelligent agreement management, making it a powerful tool for keeping track of your digital documents. Once you're on the homepage, the next step is to log in. Look for the login button, usually at the top right corner of the page. Click it and enter your account credentials. Make sure you have your username and password handy to avoid any login issues. After logging in successfully, you'll be directed to the DocuSign homepage, which acts as your control center. Here you have quick access to your most frequent tasks, like sending documents for signatures, managing templates, and most importantly, for today, accessing your reports. To view your reports, navigate to the reports section. The layout may vary slightly depending on updates or personalized settings, but you should generally find a reports option within your dashboard. It may also be listed under additional options depending on your account setup. Once you've located and clicked on reports, you'll see a variety of report options, and in dashboards, focus on the section labeled All. This area provides a comprehensive overview of all the reports available to you. By clicking on it, you can explore details such as transaction histories, signing progress, and other key metrics depending on the type of report. Understanding and using this feature effectively gives you a clearer picture of your document flow and signing activities. It's an essential step for ensuring your document processes run smoothly and efficiently. And there you have it, a simple walkthrough of how to check all reports in DocuSign. Following this step-by-step guide will not only enhance your productivity, but also give you more control over your document management tasks. Don't forget to explore other features in DocuSign to further streamline your workflow. Happy DocuSigning!